In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Replit account. First, you will need to sign into the account you want deleted. Then all you need to do is click on the Replit logo in the top left and go into account. From here, we will navigate to the billing section. Just click on billing, and here you will see an option to manage your subscription. So click on manage subscription. Once you click on manage subscription, if you scroll down, you will see delete account, permanent and irreversible. It's going to tell us that deleting your account will immediately and permanently destroy all of your apps, files, databases, and content. All deployments will be taken offline within 24 hours. Your username will become available for others to claim. This action cannot be undone under any circumstances. Once you click on request account deletion, it might ask you for a reason why you are deleting your account, and then that is going to initiate the deletion process. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.